For using AutoDock Vina, we have to install initially two software. Number one is this AutoDock Vina from this web page. So if you go to this web page, you can go to the download option, and from the download option, you can download the AutoDock Vina software. In the download option, you can see there are options for downloading AutoDock Vina for Mac as well as Windows, and you can download it accordingly depending upon your system. After this, we have to download another software, which is the MGL Tools. And we can go to this web page from MGL Tools, and in download option, we can see that MGL Tools is also available for Linux as well as for Mac and Windows. So generally, I generally download it for the Windows system. And from this link, we can download the MGL tool software. The third thing we have to download is the PDB file of the protein from our CSV link. So in our CSV, we can go and download our PDB. So here we are downloading the BSA protein, the bovine serum albumin from here. After that, we have to also load the structure of the ligand. Generally, I draw the structure of the ligand and optimize it. Otherwise, if it is available, for example, gallic acid, which is commonly available in PubChem, you can go to this PubChem and download the three-dimensional structure of gallic acid from here. So here we download the SDF file. So once you have downloaded the SDF file, we need to optimize it. Optimization is done in Avogadro software, which is again a free software which we can use. Now, in many cases, if the molecule is planar, for example, in gallic acid, nothing much will be done in case of optimization, because here we can see the molecule is planar. However, if the molecule is not planar, you should go for optimization, but it is a good practice to do optimization depending upon whatever molecules you are drawing or downloading it. Now for optimization, we have to go to initially do a minimization step. From here, we do a structural minimization. If it then change much, there is also another minimization option where we go energy minimization. We select in this E option in Avogadro, and from there for small molecules, we select this MMF94F force field, and then we select start. And however, we see that the delta E out here is already 0, but generally when we'll do for large molecules, we'll see that the delta E becomes smaller and smaller. Now we can save this file as a PDB file, and this 3D structure will be saved as a PDB file and used as a ligand for our docking studies. Now, after this one, we also need to check the protein. So this is the BSA protein which you have downloaded, and I opened it in Chimera software. Chimera is again a free software which is available. But the crystal structure of BSA is a dimer. However, for docking, we need only the monomer. So here we'll be removing the dimer. So we select one of the protomeric monomeric unit from here, and we go here and we delete this one, and then we get this monomer structure. But we further need to see if any ligand or any other affiliate components are present. So if we go here, we find out that there are some water molecules which are present in it. I mean, in the crystal structure. So these are the water molecules, and we need to remove the water molecules. We can either do it here or we can do it in AutoDock Vina when we are preparing the protein for the docking studies. But I would like to remove everything in Chimera first and save it as a new PDB file. In the next video, we will get to see how to save different files and which folder we should save, how we can import these files and prepare our protein as well as ligand for docking using AutoDock Vina software. So don't forget to check our next video on AutoDock Vina tutorial.